G'day, here's a parcel of lower grade seam opal from Lightning Ridge. If you find some colour, it should be flatter bars generally. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in, haven't moved the pieces. Just give you an idea. Like I say, this is beginner's material. You still might find a stone amongst it, but it's find the bar, cut down to it, practice, and hopefully you'll come back and buy some more expensive material that you can cut gemstones out of. There's a lot of material here for you to fossick through, and some of it does have colours. Here's a piece of black, see a little colour bar in the centre there, that white piece just coming through here. Like I say, most of it's practice material. It's got some colour, some pieces, not every piece like some of the deals we have. It's got bright dark blue. Anyway, there you go.